Congratulations on your decision to make Peeps Lens Cleaners the center of your lens cleaning program in your practice. We all want to provide our patients with the very best products we can, and that is exactly what you've done in offering Peeps to your customers. This is the only cleaning technology used in space on the International Space Station. It's not affected by heat, cold, or humidity. Peeps automatically recharges itself after each use, simply by replacing the cleaning pads into the recharging station. Finally, you can use your Peeps lens cleaner over 500 times and it will never expire. You can lose your Peeps and find it 20 years from now, and it will simply pick up where it left off with the remaining cleanings available. Simply stated, it's the safest, most effective cleaner on the planet. The optical industry is under increased pressure to provide more care for less. Decreased reimbursements from insurance companies make it necessary for every part of your practice to make a profit. What if products like lens cleaners could be a center for profit? What if instead of being just an inconvenient necessity or even a financial burden, lens cleaning products could actually make you money? Don't believe me? Consider this. The average optical practice using Peeps has a 70% purchase rate following a simple sales demonstration process. The typical optical practice sells through 100 units every 4 to 6 weeks. We're all aware of the current lens cleaning process: microfiber cloths, cleaning sprays, and individual wipes. But did you know that each of those cleaners can and often will damage your patient's lenses? You heard that right. Current methods for cleaning your lenses are actually damaging the lenses instead. Dust, debris, particles, and facial oil all migrate to your lenses just by wearing them. We need to clean them, right? But the dust and debris can actually be an abrasive as well. You pull out your trusty microfiber, and the first thing that happens is that all the oil from your hand is all over the cloth. While it may remove some of the oils, even the dust, guess where that oil and dust is? It's on the cloth, and you've just ground abrasive particles into the lens surface. And while you may not see it, you've just likely created micro scratches on your lens. Individual wipes and spray cleaners may provide a better cleaning, but they can still grind particles right into the lens. The only product that will not damage your patient's lenses is a Peeps lens cleaner. How is that possible, you ask? Peeps uses a patented, non-abrasive, all-natural goat hair brush that gently removes any dust or debris particles from your lenses before our cleaning technology goes to work. If you notice the brush has particles or dust on it, simply brush the tips off with your fingers. When you close Peeps, sliding the pinchers into the recharging station, you are actually creating a molecular reaction that provides a clean edge of molecules on the cleaning pad, simply by sliding it back into the recharging station. So when you pull the cleaning pinchers out to use, you've got a completely fresh cleaning pad free of abrasive dust and particles. Then simply slide your lens between the two cleaning pads. Apply gentle pressure and clean the lens by rubbing back and forth or in a circular motion. A product this good will sell itself, but I'm going to give you a simple and proven sales process that will maximize your profit potential by putting Peeps in the hands of every patient you see. This process, if followed correctly, will help you generate significant sales and will help drive strong profit margins in your cleaning products. Every optical dispensing station needs to have a fully stocked Peeps display, and we also recommend another display at your reception desk. Every optician in your office should have a Peeps for their personal use and one that is kept at their workstation to clean lenses in front of their patients. Know your Peeps well. It's a great idea to have a Peeps lens cleaner on the lanyard, which we provide at our cost. This not only keeps the cleaner accessible at all times, but patients can't help but notice. Each time your opticians dispense a pair of frames, they should use their Peeps to clean the patient's lenses in front of the patient. It's essential that this is done in front of the patient at each and every dispense. You'll discover that the majority of your patients will ask, "What is that?" or "What are you doing?" It's the best way to get the conversation going about Peeps and why they should have one as their lens cleaning solution. If the customer does not inquire, simply ask them what kind of cleaner they use and explain the benefits of using Peeps instead. Frame repairs are another great opportunity to demonstrate Peeps in front of your patients. Use the Peeps in front of them when you dispense their repaired frames. Again, this is a great conversation starter, and more often than not will result in a sale for your practice. It's that easy. Creating an additional profit center for your practice is as easy as following those 4 simple steps. Keep your Peeps displays full, wear your Peeps lanyard, demonstrate, demonstrate, demonstrate. And we promise your efforts will pay off. Best of all, your patients' lenses will stay safe and scratch-free because you offer the best lens cleaning system in the world.